Hey everyone, it's Travis Blue. It's so wonderful to see all of you out there because it's Thanksgiving, my favorite holiday. A day when food connects to family through the flavors and recipes we all share and remember. And if you've had a little too much family, well, that's what the wine is for. But today I'm going to make one of the most traditional Thanksgiving sides, cornbread dressing. I know you may call it stuffing or you may call it dressing. They mean the same thing. It's a cooked dish made of bread and herbs and whatever else you want to put in it. But then the best thing about dressing is you have to cover it in gravy, because that's what Thanksgiving's all about. Gravy and turkey and family and wine. Let's get to it. Now, before we get started, please consider supporting this channel by hitting the subscribe button right down there. I'm a home cook and a filmmaker, and I make these videos to share my tips and experiences with you. And my cornbread dressing is inspired by my Grandma Maddox's recipe. Now, truth be told, my Grandma Maddox was not a great cook. She's actually kind of legendary that way in our family. But she did make a dressing at Thanksgiving that had great sage flavor, and I liked it. So I've taken her recipe and I just updated it with just fresh herbs, including lots of fresh sage. So what we've got here is fresh sage, fresh parsley, fresh rosemary, thyme. It's about 3 stalks of celery chopped, and then about a medium onion chopped. If you have a large onion, I would just do about half an onion. It doesn't need a whole lot of onion, but you do need some. And then a chicken stock, and then 2 eggs, and then cornbread, which I make the cornbread. I just use the recipe off a box, the Albert's box, and it's good. I like it because it doesn't have a whole lot of sugar. Shortcuts are totally cool if you want to get something, just a pre-made cornbread at the grocery store. Those do have a little more sugar, but hey, they're pre-made. Or just even just a box of the Jiffies, which just have everything, just kind of pour everything in. It's great too. It's Thanksgiving. You do what you got to do. It's pretty simple ingredients I put in. But, some people, there's chestnuts, there's different kinds of bread. Some use sourdough, some use white bread, and some people put in sausage or bacon, and those people are called heroes. Okay, you can heat your oven to 350 degrees. And once you have your cornbread all crumbled up and in that mixing bowl, then you're going to put all the ingredients in. I know some people saute their onions and celery, and that's fine. I just kind of like to cook it all together. We put the eggs in, we put everything in, and then the chicken stock, I don't really measure it. I just kind of pour and eyeball it till everything is kind of wet. And then we're going to put it into a 13x9 pan. Now I use a metal pan because that way you can just, if you're going to someone's house, you can just take it over there, and if you need to throw it away, you throw it away. Pretty easy at Thanksgiving. But, a Pyrex or a ceramic one, anything will work. Start with a little bit of chicken stock, just get everything wet. And it just kind of goes in. Those will mix around. A little more chicken stock. Still not quite there, so I'm going to put in the eggs. Get that good and combined. So you want it to just kind of be, just wet. It's not liquidy, but it's wet. Don't forget salt and pepper. All right, it's all mixed together. It's wet, seasoned with salt and pepper, ready to put in the pan. Now you can spray the pan with, with cooking spray, but it's Thanksgiving. This is butter. You know what to do. All right, so it's in the pan. It's ready. I put it in uncovered, and I check it after about 30 minutes. It may need a little more time, but right around 30, and if it needs 45, it needs 45. Smells delicious. It's gonna go great with the turkey and gravy. But here's the thing. You can cover it and then put it in the fridge because you can make this the day before. What? Just a nice scoop there of dressing. Get some of that great roasted turkey. That's right, it's all dark meat because I like it and you can't stop me. And you know I didn't forget the gravy. This is happening. Turkey and dressing, the way it's supposed to be. And now you're ready to eat your traditional Thanksgiving meal. Turkey, gravy, dressing. You're ready. Oh, I forgot one thing. Now, no Thanksgiving discussion is complete without talking about leftovers. Now, this dressing heats up great in the microwave with just, gravy and turkey and everything, no problem. But I'm talking about my Thanksgiving sandwich. Now, a little background. There's a Friends episode where the one with Ross's sandwich, when he talks about Monica making this Thanksgiving sandwich with a layer of cold gravy that he calls the moist maker. That inspired this sandwich. I've made that sandwich. I put bread, a little mayo, a layer of turkey, a layer of cold gravy, a layer of this dressing, and then another slice of bread. It's the ultimate Thanksgiving sandwich. I think I may be more excited about making this sandwich than I am about even making the turkey and the dressing, because I know I get to have the sandwich afterwards. This is it. It's the moist maker. Soft, it's herby. It tastes like Thanksgiving. Just those herby flavors and then the savoriness of the turkey gravy. Nothing like it. Well, hey, if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hey, Toby. Come on. Where Toby? Toby says Happy Thanksgiving too.